You searched how to buy shares of Invisio AB. Invisio AB makes tactical communication headsets and systems for defense and security, and it trades on CBOE EU under the ticker IVSO.ST. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IVSO.ST to find the company. Then select the matching Invisio AB listing to open its stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company description and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Make sure the ticker reads IVSO.ST and the market shows CBOE EU. To invest, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can complete. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more information and the sign-up link, check the description below.